Thank you very much, everyone, and we appreciate your time today evening. And we realize that keeping on Sunday would be a better option because all the parents can join along with students. And since it is an open meeting, there was no other problem technically to allowing you to enter into the meeting. So with that, I welcome each and every member. And now, since all of the students have taken the admission at BNCP, we consider them as a family member. So we welcome you to family. Very warm welcome on behalf of SVKM as well as Dr. Bandhuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy. My today's presentation will be giving you an overview on where is the pharma industry, what are the scopes, what are the current situations, what are the various career opportunities. Along with that, I will be also sharing with all of you what college is doing, what are our achievements, how do we groom our students, and why the selection of BNCP is the right choice for all of you. And with that, first let me thank all of you for choosing BNCP as your first preference and securing the admission. So congratulations to all of you. For B.Pharm as well as M.Pharm and direct second year students are also present today. Also, we invited all those members who have applied for institute vacancy round. We have invited them also to join today's orientation. It is going to give you glimpses of what BNCP stands for. What do we do? What are our achievements? What our students become at the end of 4 year? So I must say that you have made a right choice by selecting BNCP as well as selecting pharmacy program for your future career. We know pharma industry, and especially we know the current pandemic situation has put up India on the top I would say topmost country for its ability to serve as a world's pharmacy. We supplied medicine, we are supplying vaccine, we are the biggest producer of vaccine, and that's why I said you have made a right choice being in pharma, being with the pharma education in pharma academia, B.Pharm program or M.Pharm program. I must tell you that next 2 decades, 20 years belong to India. May it be API, that is raw material, drugs, excipient, production capacity, and not only that, it is also going to be the major consumer country. There are a number of factors which I'm going to cover that also. So if we look at pharma industry in India, it's among top 5 sectors in the country. It's growing at the rate of 14 to 20%. You can see the GDP growth or any other industry growing. This is the highest growth rate, 14 to 20%. The reasons I'm going to tell you that why. Majority is the ability of our pharma industry in India, the government policy, as well as the consumer capabilities. There are faster promotions because when you work hard, when you have been groomed in the pharma colleges, you will be able to give better to the pharma industry, and that's where you will get a faster promotion. If you compare with any other industry, the pharma gives the faster promotions. Knowledge intensive, the new knowledge of healthcare and every aspect is constantly changing. So the student and the employee or the professionals, I put that way because the pharma is a profession. So the professionals would constantly gaining the knowledge, upgrading their knowledge. So it's a knowledge intensive segment, demographically favored. And that's what I say that India, if you look at world demography, we are the youngest, one of the youngest country. Not only that, the consumer capability of spending is very high. So look at the Indian scenario. What we look at it, population is rising, purchasing power is increasing. You can imagine when we all were growing up, the parents, those who are in 40s and 50s, when we were growing up, we never knew about nutraceutical, cosmeceutical. And that's what we see now, a lot of nutraceutical supplements. So that's, and people have ability, they have money to purchase. So the purchasing power is going up. We have done a lot of research in India as well as across the globe. Longevity, people live longer. Those days are gone where people were living 60, 65. Now we have generation of 80s and 90s. So as the longevity is increasing, the more spending would be there, more health related spending would be there. So these all 3 points have a maximum positive impact and growth in healthcare sector due to we know that there is a lifestyle disorders, the diabetes, blood pressure, the stress in youngster, age-related chronic ailment, aging population in other country also. And that all gives rise to further strengthening healthcare segment, and that means more job creations in and around the world. What are the factors, what are the sectors of pharma which are related to pharma, which are actually insulated by the global meltdown? During pandemic, we all noticed that healthcare sector was an essential sector, essential services sector, right? May it be pharma retail, wholesale, hospital, all those became very essential services. So the pharma is growing at 9%, hospitals are doing wonderful. Indian pharma industry I'm talking about, and the healthcare setup. Insurances, we see in last 5 years, we look at the trend that our students 5 or 6 years ago, they were placed mainly into pharma industry, production, manufacturing, research, sales, marketing, techno marketing. We see since last 5 years, more and more students are employed. The pharma students are employed into insurance sectors. So healthcare insurance, which was not only LIC was the one, right? The pioneer. But now we see a lot of global as well as Indian players are there into health insurance. That's something booming market, and where the pharma students are being employed at a very good salary package. OTC, right? The wellness and cosmeceuticals, one of the fastest growing. We never looked at when the generation of 40s and 50s, we would eat at home, but we would not go for multivitamin. We would not start. Now we see multivitamin to 23 25 years of age, and you start with multivitamins. Medical devices, lot of wonderful research has been done into medical devices. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these are contributing towards the strength of healthcare sector, research as well as consumer and the insurance, marketing, OTC, all those sectors. What do we do? Like what students, once what the graduates would be able to, these are not limited to, these are the few I have enlisted over here. They can go to teaching and academics, but I understand that today's youth, they are more of entrepreneur. They do not want to go into teaching and academics. They become a pharmacist, they become an entrepreneur, quality assurance, medical transcription, IPR. Some of the students in 2 years of time after BPharm, they do a patent course and they start their own consultancy. There is a lot of demand of clinical data management. So you can think of, we know that some of the, like Sputnik, Russian vaccine is been produced by Indian company. The clinical trials are going to be done in India. The one of the country is going to be India. So there are a lot of clinical data management back offices are there, consultancy are there. Those management companies, they would be doing clinical data trials and the data treatment, and that's how they submit to the CDC or FDA. R&D, clinical research, medical marketing, underwriting, these are the drug regulatory affairs. These are the few areas which I have. If you do not want to go for entrepreneurship, these are the few areas which the graduates can select. Now, as a BNCP, as we came to Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy, what makes us unique? And I'm going to point out a couple of activities which we conduct for our student exclusively, none of other colleges doing. And that makes us different from other colleges. I'm going to share a couple of examples also that what makes our student different from other college students. and the direct impact of that is on their placement package. We have some of the students, some of the companies, rather, I must say, some of the companies, when they select our students, they give better package as compared to other college student for the same job in the same country. Not true for every student, but yes, those who have actually imbibed all those learnings and training and continuous development activity which we offer, they actually do make a difference and they see that impact on their placement. So SVKM is our parent trust, which was established in 1934 as a wake of national movement for Kanya Kelavani, for girl education. They started with one Gujarati school back in 1934, and today it has more than 27 institutes, 7 campuses across India, and more than 50,000 students studying across India. NMIMS University is under the flagship of SVKM, and there are a number of well-known colleges like Mithaibai College and all, which are nurtured under SVKM's philanthropic act, and the SVKM believes in knowledge and for giving knowledge and promoting the global thinking uh, into our students. About our college, it is, as I said, managed by SVKM. We as an institute of pharmacy were established in 2004 as a minority, Gujarati linguistic minority, non-government self-finance pharmacy college. And since then, every year we have added one feather into our cap. And today we are at number 30 national rank in NRF 19 as well as 20. We have wonderful research collaboration with national and international colleges and companies. We are PCI approved since 2022-23. We are also accredited by National Board of Accreditation. So our vision as an institute is to be recognized as a top institute of pharmaceutical sciences in the country. And today's presentation will also tell you that yes, we are towards the goal of our vision to be one of the top institute in the country. Our peculiarity, our main quality or the characteristic is the point which distinguishes our students and our college from others is we train our students to be professionally competent and socially sensitive. Lot of wonderful healthcare activities, awareness activity, and social sensitivity activities students are engaged into throughout year, and that makes wonderful difference. We do have a wonderful, a fantastic connect with industry, and that has led to all this achievement, which you can see that we are an IRF ranking, we are accredited. And I must tell you over here in 2015, when we applied for the first time for our BPharm program accreditation, I must tell you, we are the only self-finance institute affiliated to University of Mumbai to get in one go the first attempt full accreditation status of 5 years. Majority of the institutes have got only 2 to 3 years partial accreditation, while we got full accreditation, and this all is because of faculty, the quality of faculty research, students result, student achievement, students overall activity, curricular and extracurricular activity. We are the 8th time Best College Trophy winner in RX Festival of IPA, and this is the RX is a festival competition between all pharma colleges of Maharashtra state, and there we have stood 8th time as a Best College winner trophy. The rotating trophy stays with us now onward. We are also state level champion, Maharashtra state level champion of Avishkar Research Convention. And I must mention over here, the Avishkar is a state government promoted research competitive activity where all pharma, healthcare, medical, engineering, science colleges take part. And this year in 2020, BNCP students, BPharm as well as MPharm student won awards in 7 different categories. pharmacy, medicine, engineering, agriculture, veterinary, science. These are the various categories under which our students participated into competition and they won awards, and that led to overall championship award for BNCP for convention, research convention 2020. So let's quickly go on. What do we offer? We have B.Pharm 100 seats. We have M.Pharm Pharmaceutics, Quality Assurance and Pharmacology. These all programs are PCI approved. PhD, we are running with pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical chemistry. Pharmacology is in pipeline, which should be, we should be getting the approval this year for pharmacology PhD. Now, this is something which distinguishes us from other colleges, is a value-added, career-oriented program. These are the short-term certificate courses. What we looked at 5 years, somewhere in 2015 or 14, that our students are mainly getting absorbed in a drug regulatory affair and similar portfolios. What we realized that Mumbai University's syllabus does not offer drug regulatory affair. There is only one chapter. That means students are not ready from day one for industry portfolio, for their job responsibilities. We started this short-term certificate course for our students as a bridge between academia and industry. That is the gap identified into syllabus, and that what we try to bridge, and that made our students ready to run from day one. Now, question is, who takes these short-term certificate courses? Who teaches? It's all executives and very senior level industry members of Drug Regulatory Affairs Department. We have Sanofi, we have Glenmark. All those are very well-known multinational companies. The DRA, that is a Drug Regulatory Affairs Department, seniors, executives, they come on Saturday, Sunday, and they take lectures, they train our students. So you can imagine the same with the pharmacovigilance. So the pharmacovigilance short-term certificate program is in collaboration with ISCR, which is the Indian Society of Clinical Research. All the pharma industries, they are member of ISCR, which is a nationally renowned society. The members of ISCR, they come and take this lecture, and ISCR is endorsing our certificate. They only have designed the syllabus, and they only train our students. Now, as a result, when my students, they go for interview, when they tell the interviewer that they have undergone drug regulatory affair 6 months program, certificate program, and pharmacovigilance program, and which is endorsed by ISCR, my students during the interview do far better than other college. None of the college is offering 6 months full-fledged short-term certificate course for both these subjects, and that's one of the peculiarity. Now, question might come in some of the parents' mind, how much do we charge? We did not charge into initial years for this short-term certificate course because it was our management and the college endeavor to make sure that students are ready for placement, they are ready for industry, or they are ready for entrepreneurship. But after 2 years, we realized students are students. Couple of incidences happened when students' attendance was very less, and that's where we realized that we need to attach some money with this, and that may give them a little bit kind of a sincerity, and that's where we charged only 5,000 or 8,000, just nominal for 1 year or 6 months course, and that includes everything: certification, the charge of whatever external members for pharma industry come. Facilities, majority of you have come for the admission, you have gone, you have taken a round of institute. So it's a Wi-Fi enabled campus. One student take admission, we will be giving them SAP ID. So the entire management SVKM across India, it runs on SAP. I'm sure majority of the parents are aware of SAP. One simple example, Reliance runs on SAP. The entire Reliance industry runs on SAP. So you know the importance, what is SAP. So the SAP system, SAP system, students would be enrolled and then they would be getting their SAP ID and we will be giving them password, and that SAP ID and password will help them log in Wi-Fi, and with that Wi-Fi from any corner of the college they can access all online resources which are available. Not only that, all the library resources which we have, they are free, open access across the world. If you are traveling during vacation to US or any corner of the world, you can log in with your credentials into my library portal, and you will be able to see all the learning resources at tip of your finger. So it's not a campus bound, it's open access for every student. Library, computer, pilot plant. So pilot plant is nothing but the miniature of industry, where student gets a flavor of industry, that how the industry looks like, which is on the ground floor. If some of the parents, if they have not seen, whenever they come, they are welcome to look at that. We also have a cell line study lab, as well as we have a CPCSE approved animal house. We have computers, more than 104. Some of you may be a little bit kind of curious about a cell culture lab. I can tell you that some of the industry work which we are doing, so screening of a drug, rather than going for industry, rather than going for animal, majority of the companies, they would try to go for some of those very potent drugs for in vitro cell line study. They see the effect on cells, and then based on the result, they can go for animal. I hope me speaking in English continuously would be okay. If anyone feels like I should be going little slow or speak in Hindi, I can do that. I can speak Gujarati. I'm a hardcore Gujarati person. So born and brought up in Gujarat. I'm Gujarati by birth. I'm from Gujarat, so I can speak Gujarati also. So please let me know if someone wants me to speak in Hindi. I can do that. You can unmute yourself and you can just quickly say that, can you speak Hindi? And I will do that in between anywhere. But it has become a habit of continuing with English. I'll try to speak Hindi also in between, because I got a message right now that try speaking Hindi. All right. So I'll try to do that. We have a library resources, centrally air conditioned entire campus, more than 8,000 books. E-library, as I said, online. We have a lot of e-journal, international research journals are there. As I said, SAP Koha is a worldwide renowned library system. So we have the latest system Koha for running the library functions. We do take online feedback. Students का feedback online लेते हैं, जिसमें students का नाम नहीं होता है. It's anonymous, और वो मैं every semester के पहले ही month में लेती हूँ, ताकि मुझे पहले से पता चले कि students की difficulty क्या है. Parent teacher meetings करते हैं, उसमें पता चलता है कि कुछ भी स्टूडेंट अगर कॉलेज में नहीं बता पा रहे हैं, घर पे अगर पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं, तो पेरेंट्स आर मोर देन वेलकम टू इन्फॉर्म. आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल फॉर पेरेंट्स. इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माय ड्यूटी टू सी कि कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ भी कंसर्न्स पेरेंट्स के हैं, तो वी कैन सॉल्व दोज कंसर्न्स. एंड इन पास्ट हमने ये भी किया है कि फीडबैक में अगर किसी स्टूडेंट ने बोला है कि ये टीचर या ये सिस्टम या ये चीज अगर आप चेंज करो तो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल, एंड हमने किया है. माय फैकल्टी इज फैंटास्टिक. अगर स्टूडेंट्स ने किसी ने भी कमेंट लिखी है फीडबैक में कि ये टीचर अगर ऐसे करे तो बेहतर है, टीचर ने इमीडिएटली वो अडॉप्ट किया है, एंड वी हैव सीन रिजल्ट्स. We have seen results in terms of improvement into student score as well as students feedback. और उसके बाद फिर मैं स्टूडेंट से बात करती हूँ वन ऑन वन, एंड आई आस्क देम कि भाई आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. एंड पेरेंट्स आल्सो दे कॉल मी एंड दे आर फ्री टू कॉन्टैक्ट मी एनी टाइम. These are some of the facilities, research facilities है. On your right side top is pilot plant. So you can see कि ये जो मशीन है वो exactly जो इंडस्ट्री के रिसर्च सेंटर में या प्रोडक्शन सेंटर में होती है, उसका मिनिएचर है. These are the other tablet punching machine नीचे जो है center picture, cell culture lab, laboratories, library, animal house. It's on 7th floor. E-learning laboratory majority आपने शायद ऊपर 3rd floor के computer lab में ही बैठ के किया है. So you will know it. All of you have seen classroom because आप लोगों के waiting area classroom था तो आपने classroom भी देखा है. Classroom is with smart boards, Wi-Fi enabled. We recently in 2017 got 1 crore rupees grant from government to improve further our research facility. So ये facility से ये जो funding हमको मिला government से, we have developed our central instrument laboratory. जो भी nano formulation latest instrument है, latest model हमने purchase किया है. Already couple of instruments we had. If you see the lower bottom panel, the middle one, all the instruments, in fact, whatever the instrument you are seeing, all these are of industry research facility type. And exactly, these are the instruments which would be there in industry. Okay. Let's go. Quality of faculty. I have majority of the faculty PhD doctorates. And there are 4 members, they are pursuing PhD. And what I'm looking at is in next 1.5 years, I will have 100% PhD. All new recruits we are taking is doctorate. Faculty achievements at international level as well as a national level. Dr. Tabassum Khan was selected for Shastri Indo-Canadian, which is one of the very prestigious, very few pharma, probably none has been selected, or probably there are a couple of them as long as I remember, and under which Dr. Tabassum had gone to Canadian University, Laurentian University and Alberta University, and she had been there for 3 weeks. I had been selected as one of the very prestigious Nehru Fulbright fellowship. I'm the only pharmacy professional who got ever selected since inception of this award fellowship. So that's a kind of a proud moment to share with all of you. I had visited around 17 universities and institutes to learn about their administration, their student services, their teacher activity, how do they promote students research activity, how do they what all activities they do for overall development, placement and everything. Recently, I have also been awarded as a research IDMA research paper. Other faculty, we also have, they have also got a poster presentation during national conferences. Faculty have been recognized as a best faculty, and industry linked faculty, those faculty who do overall best in all the college related activities, as well as those who are having best research and industry connect portfolio, they have been recognized for during annual functions. These are the faculty funding, various funding grants of funding agencies from where. So you can see majority of the central government grants our college has received. SERB is nothing but the DST segment. We have a DST, DBT, BRNS, DST FIST, even Ayush, RGSTC, all this. Mumbai University also has a minor research grant. Faculty has obtained that too. This is a graph, comparative graph. You can see we are doing fantastic, phenomenal since last 3-4 years, and a remarkable increase into research funding, and that has led to. So the question is not only the money, not only the funding. The funding led to infrastructure, research infrastructure creation that leads to better research outcome and research projects to our students. And we offer to our students not only PG but all UG students, we offer research, we offer them library, whatever curious program, laboratory and library, whatever curious research activity comes in their mind, and if they wish to do some experimentation and if they want to work on that curious idea, we allow them, we give that freedom. And this is, I can tell you with confidence, none of the college is doing this thing, which is allowing UG undergraduate students to do research, giving freedom to undergraduate students to conduct research. MPharm students are given hands-on training for industrial projects. We let them work on industry projects so they understand that what is the industry all about, what kind of industrial research are there, what kind of documentation they go through, and that's how they learn. They learn a lot in terms of, and that's how they nurture, and that's how it is the overall development of student. Faculty publication, you can see the effect. If you can correlate my previous graph with this graph, you can see the outcome. The better research funding, better research infrastructure, more faculty is involved into research, better research outcome in terms of quality publications. And the quality publication, one of the parameter is in what kind of journal, scientific journal you are publishing the research paper. And if your research data are of a good quality, the good journal will accept your paper. And this is the graph which shows that quality of research at BNCP is really phenomenal. And you can see it has picked up since last 4 years. And this impact factor, the blue line, which shows impact factor, means the quality of the journal in which your paper has been published, which has lot of other quality papers from across the world, which has been referred by number of quality researcher, and that gives impact factor, right? So you can see the cumulative impact factor, good number of publications have come up, and that talks tons of volumes about the quality of publication at BNCP. And I must tell you with the confidence that this is very rare into any institute which is just 16 or 15, 16 years old. Very few institute would have this kind of phenomenal data of research and publications. And this all provides a kind of an ambience, the atmosphere, the motivational atmosphere, the scientific intellect students develop when they are in the campus. Research collaboration has been done with number of well-known industries as well as universities. And we have a good collaboration with industry. We do their projects. And when we take their projects, we allow students to work on that. And that's how students learn a lot. We do a lot of staff development activities. So it's not only for the faculty. We do a lot of things for our laboratory staff, library staff, and office staff. We have training and quality improvement program for them. For example, library, for example, lab even. So laboratory assistant, they all are qualified BSc, MSc. We train them to improve their quality. We conduct 1 week program, which includes safety of lab, how to handle those chemicals, how to enhance the safety of students, how to label those chemicals, how to document them, how to help students. All those kind of training program we give to our lab staff, as well as library. A librarian also undergoes a rigorous training constantly, maximum focus towards the student services. They also are involved into attending online courses. And this is a quick graph. You can see all the faculty was involved into various activities during lockdown. So lockdown was actually very much fruitful at BNCP, and that was because of the quality of faculty. And quality of faculty and loyalty of the faculty and dedication only comes when management treats them very well. I'm sure every parents will agree with that. So the management and the college administrator, they treat faculty as their family members, and that motivates them, encourages them to do best. These are the laboratory library staff. They all were involved, lot of things. Faculty interaction with outside world. They have been invited as a speaker, jury member, resource person, inspector. Couple of them are a PCI inspector, Mumbai University inspector, various, they as a delegate into the conference, speaker, examiner. These are the glimpses of couple of faculty interaction with outside world. I had presented one of the research work, of course, of my student at San Antonio during the annual convention of Pharmaceutical Association. Dr. Tabassum, Dr. Aarti, all, Radhika madam, Tabassum madam, Sujata madam, all have gone out and interacted with other colleges and industries and associations. We also conduct a lot of faculty development activity. As I said, see, students will get knowledge from teacher. We need to get more into teachers, so it percolates down to students, right? And when it percolates down to students, it's benefit of students. So we put our teachers on constant training program. We have wonderful new initiatives. BNCP Scientellect is something which I was talking about. That is a very, very unique program for BNCP. None of the college is offering this. We do not charge our student for anything related to science. They just have to identify under which teacher they want to do this research project, write down the research project that this I want to do, discuss with the teacher, and I give them permission, freedom to use lab. And students in past 4 years have done wonderful scientific activities, research activities, which are published into international forums, international journals, and national publications, as well as national presentation. We encourage our students, PG student, postgraduate students and teachers to develop their writing capability. So we have an annual research grant writing competition, and I will show you some of the results. We conduct short-term certificate courses. We give students award to the best performing student award, faculty recognition, research promotion. Even we encourage faculty by monetary benefits to conduct good research and publish in a good research journal. Entrepreneurship Cell, every year we have 3 days entrepreneurship workshop, and where we invite a lot of young entrepreneurship to share their stories. We also invite venture capitalists. We also invite banks, and we invite MSME government members. They will share that there are various schemes. Without any money, student can actually venture into entrepreneurship via government MSME schemes, especially for women and especially for the youngsters. We do have a career development cell. Library, as I said, it's a very active library. We would be doing the same thing for all new students. Every year, for students, we have Know Your Library session. And Know Your Library means, as per your syllabus, what all books library has, what all reference books which we have. So the teacher would also be sitting with the student, and the librarian would be showing students that these are the books which you should refer. As well as for PG student, we conduct a lot of training program, how to do referencing, literature search, and all. This is our official YouTube channel. I invite everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have all the recordings of various activity which we have conducted. We had recently conducted first student entrepreneurship research congress. There was one student business fair that was under entrepreneurship cell. And another, we had the first time in collaboration with University of Mumbai and ACG Industry, we had conducted first student research congress. We had more than 600 to 700 participants, and more than 30 to around 25 to 30 colleges participated during our first research congress across India. And university has given us, they were very happy, and they have told us that every year university will participate, and every year we look forward to arrange our student research congress, which is the first of its kind in Maharashtra state. None of the pharmacy college or science college has conducted this kind of activity and provided the platform for our students to present their research activity. So this all activities, in nutshell, what I am trying to tell you is these are the unique programs of BNCP which makes BNCP student well groomed, not only as a human being, not only as a professional, but as a researcher also. Student development activities. So we understand that some of the students are little slow in learning. We don't neglect them. We provide them focus activity. So my faculty would have one-on-one interaction for slow learner. And let me share one example. 3 years, 4 years ago, we had a LD student. I'm sure all parents and students they know is a learning disability student, right? Learning disability student is, let me connect you with Amir Khan's movie, Tare Zameen Pe. And maybe the Three Idiots also has the same theme. So there, the learning disability students, if they are not paid attention, they will go into their shell. What we did with that student, my teacher did a fantastic, phenomenal work. Appreciate their efforts that they had actually had one-on-one session with that student, one paragraph at a time. You can imagine the effort which they had put in. And today we see that student doing so well. He is now into final year. Oh no, he finished final year. I guess he has just one subject. He had some issue, or he is in final year if I'm not wrong. But he has improved so much. The parents are so happy, and that gives us a lot of satisfaction. We have a mentoring system. 12 to 13 students are allotted to one teacher who would be taking care of their overall growth. Short-term certification, we have a communication skill, a full-time professional, best student award. We have a counselor. We have a professional counselor and communication skill teacher. Research grant writing competition, that is a motivational and quality improvement policies. Scientific workshops and seminar we conduct every year, multiple scientific workshops and seminars. Even during lockdown, we had conducted a lot of workshops and scientific workshops. Students had done amazing activity during lockdown, which I'm going to share with all of you. Parishodhana is a part of entrepreneurship cell where we float a competition among students where they come up with the innovative ideas for industry defined problems. So our partner industries will give some of the research oriented or business oriented problems, and student will come out with the wonderful idea of economically viable, the business model, yet solving the research fundamental problem, and they will come up with the product which is at a very competitive cost into the market. So we nurture those kind of we nurture those kind of abilities. We develop those characteristics in our students. Intellect co-curricular book bank facility is one of the a lot of colleges do have that book bank facility. We do have a book bank facility. The class teacher will float once the regular classes are starting. Okay. Student counseling, lot of problems students के साथ होते हैं. Workshop we conduct. Social media addiction में से कैसे बाहर आना है. Emotional intelligence, cope up with your personal problems, the family problems. My counselor works on that. Placement, lot of placement activity. Industry को बुला के pre-placement talks, alumni को बुला के pre-placement talks. इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करना है, इंटरव्यू के लिए कैसे प्रिपरेशन करना है, करियर कौन से डिपार्टमेंट, कौन से एरिया में करियर को आप आगे लेके जाओगे, आपकी इनहरेंट क्वालिटी क्या है, आप कौन से करियर में फिट होते हो. ऑल दोज काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज आर अंडर ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट. दिस आर द वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज. ये सब इंडस्ट्रीज में स्टूडेंट्स प्लेसमेंट किए हुए हैं. These are the areas of last year I had just put up to give you the glimpses कि B.Pharm वाले बच्चे ज्यादातर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में, क्लेम्स में, दैट इज इंश्योरेंस, मेडिको राइटिंग, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में, जबकि M.Pharm वाले बच्चों का प्रेफरेंस हमने देखा कि ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स आर प्लेस्ड इनटू क्लिनिकल डेवलपमेंट, ऑपरेशंस, रेगुलेटरी अफेयर एंड क्लिनिकल एनालिटिकल वैलिडेशन में गए हैं बच्चे. स्टूडेंट्स की अचीवमेंट एंड परफॉर्मेंस, majority of the students see, this is BNCP ka one of the strong point. More than 60%, 50 to 70% student हमारे higher education के लिए जाते हैं. Out of that, so if I say that out of 100 students, 60 बच्चे हायर एजुकेशन में जाते हैं, जिसमें से 40 बच्चे, 60 में से 40 बच्चे मिनिमम यूएस में जाते हैं हायर एजुकेशन के लिए. और बाकी के 20 या 22 बच्चे इंडिया में हायर एजुकेशन के लिए क्या एमबीए करते हैं, क्या एमफार्म करते हैं, या कोई पीजी डिप्लोमा करके जॉब में चले जाते हैं। बाकी के बच्चे सीधे बी फार्म के बाद प्लेसमेंट के लिए, और 100% जिन लोगों को प्लेसमेंट चाहिए उनको 100% हम प्लेसमेंट देते हैं, उनको प्रॉपरली प्लेसमेंट के लिए ट्रेन करते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ 100% प्लेसमेंट होता है। सो द क्वेश्चन कम्स इज कि इतना हायर परसेंटेज हायर स्टडीज में क्यों जाते हैं? सो वो 3rd ईयर और फाइनल ईयर में जब बच्चे आते हैं, तभी से जब वो उनका माइंड बना लेते हैं कि उनको हायर एजुकेशन में ये लाइन में जाना है, मेरी फैकल्टी उनको गाइड करती है, कॉलेज उनको प्रोवाइड करती है फैसिलिटी कि वो अपना रेज्यूमे स्ट्रेंथन करे। लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, अगर कोई एक स्टूडेंट को जॉन हॉपकिंस में फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्शन में एमएस करना है, या फॉर एग्जांपल अगर उसको क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में एमफार्म करना है, या फिर उसको रिसर्च में टारगेटेड ड्रग डिलीवरी में आगे फार्मास्यूटिक्स में एमएस करना है, नाउ अगर वो स्टूडेंट को हम ग्रूम करते हैं, वो स्टूडेंट हमारे पास आता है शेयर कि मुझे इस तरह से यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेना है, हम उसको वो यूनिवर्सिटी, वो प्रोजेक्ट, वो एरिया का जो रिसर्च होता है उसके मुताबिक उसका रेज्यूमे स्ट्रेंथन कराने के लिए प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, वो लोग साइंटलेक में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, पब्लिकेशन करते हैं, ऑल दिस वेरियस साइंटिफिक फोरम की एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, सो दैट ऑल गोज इनटू देयर रेज्यूमे। नाउ यू कैन इमेजिन अगर ये रेज्यूमे जॉन हॉपकिंस यूनिवर्सिटी जब देखती है या सेंट जॉन्स यूनिवर्सिटी उसको देखती है, वो देखती है कि ये स्टूडेंट ने पढ़ने के सिवा ये सब एक्टिविटी भी की है, रिसर्च एक्टिविटी, को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी भी की है, तो दैट स्टूडेंट हैज अ हायर चांस ऑफ गेटिंग द एडमिशन, राइट? सो दैट इज हाउ वी ग्रूम अवर स्टूडेंट, प्रिपेयर देम फॉर द जॉब, prepare them for the higher studies की application. Short Fiolek scholarship every year our students are getting. Excellent performance in inter-institute and co-curricular activities में. Just quickly I wanted to share 1920 का final year, third year and second year, first year का result. You can see students have done wonderful. Lot of students are into grade A, grade O. It is higher than A. First year students have also done wonderful, grade A, around 71% students have grade A. So students of semester 1 and parents, do not worry. We are here to look after your child. We are here to look at their welfare for their academics and extra academics and extracurricular activities. We prepare students for competitive exam. As I said, those जिनको इंडिया में ही रहना है, यहीं पे एमफार्म करना है या एमबीए करना है, students, we give them guidance. I have very much dedicated faculty who guide students, who would guide student for GPAT, and I have seen that faculty coming on Sundays also to take some of the lectures for helping students to prepare for GPAT. Our alumni are into Duke, Harvard, Northeastern, St. John's, John Hopkins, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, BITS Pilani, all, and NIPER students have taken admission and they have received higher education from this very well-known, globally renowned universities. As I said, we motivate and encourage students to do better and compete with other students. So we have awards, a Best Student Award, and these are the students who received Best Student Award. So who gets Best Student Award? The one who is good in academics, the one who has nearly 100% attendance. Attendance is one of the criteria. अगर आपकी attendance कम है तो आप Best Student Award के लिए qualify नहीं होंगे. So पढ़ाई के सिवा, रिजल्ट के सिवा, अटेंडेंस के सिवा आपने और क्या किया है other than पढ़ाई, वो भी we consider, and have you taken college name outside? That all points we take into. Sports में होता है, cultural में होता है, anywhere they take part. Some of the students do well with the Rotary Club. They are connected with Rotary Club. Lot of social activity they do. These are the student award of BPharm, overall best student. So पूरा 4 साल का जो भी उनका achievement है, we invite application from all students and then we do scrutinization. None of the BNCP student would do the final scrutinization. We have always one external member who would at least help us to identify. Co-curricular, extracurricular activity. Other than teach study, what we do is we have a public health office for public health awareness activities, sports, cultural, designing, photography contest, industry visits, social sensitivity cell, all these various activities students take part into. You can see our MPharm students presented in international conference at Bangkok for the research projects. Student got short Fiolex. A student also got, every year we have 2 students getting JB Modi IDMA award. Avishkar, these are the glimpses of Avishkar. I'm so proud of all the students who took part into Avishkar, and you can see that all the students, they took part into PG and PhD category, and they had also taken part into UG category. And our state championship news were also covered into Maharashtra Times. These are the publications, research publications as a result of Scientellect, that is UG student, our undergraduate BPharm student under our Scientellect program, which once again I would like to emphasize is a unique program. None of the colleges has this program. We nurture our student in research front also. Students, best college, best trophy, best cultural, best student award, best health day trophy, they received at the best college RX Fest. These are the glimpses and these are the proud moments of our students. It's a kind of priceless to see students doing wonderful in all fronts, not only teaching and not only result. As I said, Daitwa is something which we started from 2015. The basic idea was to inculcate those sensitivity, social sensitivity into students. I'm not sure about the Hindi word, but at least उनका दिल सेंसिटिव होता है टुवर्ड्स सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स और वो जब तक एक्सपोज नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेल टू डू फैमिली. उन्होंने कभी स्लम्स में जाके लड़कियां कैसे पढ़ाई करती है, किस तरह से रहते हैं, वो पालघर और वो सबके इंटीरियर ट्राइबल एरिया में टीचर्स के साथ जाके देखते हैं, एनकरेज करते हैं menstruation hygiene, health hygiene, hand washing, all those kind of awareness create करते हैं, and that gives those students a kind of a real life experience. What is life? They understand, and that makes them more sensitive towards the various segments of society, and that makes them a good human being. These are the public health activities, gender equality. We do a lot of like Juhu beach cleaning. They go to Kandivali railway station. Even their program was covered by Akashvani, Doordarshan, and it was, I mean, the radio, I would say. On the railway public platform also, their announcement was allowed by the government officials. So those are the various activities students are exposed to, and that makes them better human being and a professional. Various health days also they celebrate and they create awareness among society. These are the social initiatives. Students do take part into grain donation. Our alumni had also the US, who is US based, help for COVID-19 fight, and that was also covered into the Florida Tampa Bay Times. Student also conduct a lot of suicide prevention. As I said, all those health related social initiatives they take part into. Entrepreneurship development, we keep a lot of webinars, seminars, we invite entrepreneurs. Ambulance it is inter-class cultural and sports activity. So it's not only discipline and teaching, but they have a lot of opportunity. These all are the facility available at college. Official blog, students have a platform to express their views about various topics. Instagram page where we students share, and public health office is on Instagram, and we share a lot of various activities on that. Various events, just the enlisting to give you an idea, webinars, seminars. We have a regular alumni lecture and international lecture series we have started. Industry, every other week we have industry experts coming and talking to our students. This is the Avishkar which we conducted. So we hosted 3 to 4 times Avishkar. We also conduct syllabus discussion on behalf of University of Mumbai. Online seminars, faculty development programs, workshop, entrepreneurship, bees planning we had conducted. And it was a wonderful activity where students got quite motivated by the जो entrepreneur थे वो आके उनकी story सुना रहे थे और they also offered students कि अगर किसी को help चाहिए तो they are ready to help. Government has also given us a lot of funding to conduct a lot of activities. Student startup की activity, innovation की activity, beyond curriculum की parent teacher meeting also we conduct. We have stress management workshop करते हैं, firefighting training every 6 months we have a mock drill and firefighting training students and teachers के लिए होता है. We also conduct like activities for girl students specifically for women defense and all. Beyond curriculum में training of instruments, industry person आके instrument में training देते हैं, teachers day celebration बच्चे कर रहे हैं, graduation day, international yoga day, alumni के lectures regularly conduct करते हैं, even online में we continued our alumni को invite करके, say this all Amrita and Jimita they are our alumni and वो लोगों ने students के साथ interact किया है. ऑनलाइन में डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटी की है, इंडस्ट्री की एक्टिविटीज की है, फार्मासिस्ट डे सेलिब्रेशन वी डिड, एज आई सेड दैट वी हैड इंडस्ट्री लेक्चर सीरीज, रिसर्च कांग्रेस, एज वेल एज हाउ टू बिल्ड योर ओन पर्सनल ब्रांड, दैट इज नथिंग बट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट, कि आप कुछ भी किए बिना ऑनलाइन आपकी ब्रांड को कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते हैं. तो हमने एक्सपर्ट को बुलाया था, दे टॉक हाउ टू डू इट. We have industry members expert on almost all the committees which we have and we meet them. We have we have various international speakers जो campus पे आए हैं. Curriculum, just I'm going to touch quickly on curriculum because it's a new syllabus and parents को थोड़ा एक अंदाजा देने के लिए स्पेशली क्योंकि ये पैंडेमिक वाला टाइम है, अभी फुल लेक्चर्स एंड प्रैक्टिकल्स, फिजिकल लेक्चर्स प्रैक्टिकल कॉलेजेस स्कूल चालू नहीं हुई है, तो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई के गाइडलाइन के मुताबिक एकेडमिक टर्म फर्स्ट ईयर सेमेस्टर 1 की 15 जनवरी से 24 अप्रैल है, जो नन ऑफ द कॉलेज ने शुरू किया है क्योंकि एडमिशन डिले हो गए हैं. तो एवरी कॉलेज नाउ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 फरवरी से 24 अप्रैल का पहला टर्म होगा. सो आप समझ सकते हो कि फरवरी, मार्च एंड अप्रैल 3 महीना ही है सेमेस्टर 1 पढ़ने के लिए. बच्चों ने 10 महीना बहुत आराम किया है. सो पेरेंट्स को मेरी स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम लोग 4 लेक्चर की जगह 5 लेक्चर अगर किसी दिन लेना पड़े तो स्टूडेंट्स को एनकरेज करो कि वो कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठे. एंड मैं कोशिश आई जस्ट ट्राई टू रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि अगर पॉसिबल है तो जरा लैपटॉप का अरेंजमेंट कीजिए, बिकॉज मोबाइल पे लेक्चर देखना बैठना काफी इट वुड बी क्वाइट एग्जॉस्टिव, आईज के लिए भी स्ट्रेसफुल रहेगा. सो उनके लिए अगर लैपटॉप का अरेंजमेंट होता है तो बेहतर है. अदरवाइज टीचर्स आर देयर कि उनको पीपीटी और जो भी मटेरियल होगा वो अलाउ करेंगे. लाइब्रेरी भी ओपन है, जिसको भी अगर यहाँ आके लाइब्रेरी बुक इश्यू करनी है हम लोग करेंगे, उनके लिए भी. बुक बैंक भी ऑफर करेंगे. बुक बैंक की जो फैसिलिटी है उसमें यूजीसी का रूल रहेगा कि जिनकी एनुअल इनकम 8 लाख से 6 लाख से कम है या 8 लाख से कम है, मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, आई एम सॉरी, मैं आपको रूल भिजवा दूंगी, वो ही एलिजिबल होंगे और उनको हम लोग बुक बैंक 10 स्टूडेंट या 15 स्टूडेंट को हम बुक बैंक के लिए देंगे. लेकिन बाकी सभी स्टूडेंट को कॉलेज में आके जो भी बुक्स उनको चाहिए वी विल गिव देम. सेकेंड सेमेस्टर 1 वीक के ब्रेक के बाद तुरंत शुरू हो जाएगा, मई से अगस्त तक, और अगस्त के बाद 15 अगस्त 16 अगस्त से इमीडिएटली आपका सेकेंड ईयर शुरू हो जाएगा. सो ये सेमेस्टर थोड़ा टाइट रहेगा. नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन मिलेगा. ये सेमेस्टर पूरा ऑनलाइन ही रहेगा. सेकेंड सेमेस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी की गवर्नमेंट की जो भी गाइडलाइन आएगी उसके मुताबिक हम आगे जाएंगे, लेकिन अभी सेमेस्टर 1 कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन ही रहेगा. अगर कुछ भी चेंज आया तो हम आपको इन्फॉर्म करेंगे. एग्जाम भी मैंने साइड में लिख के रखा है क्योंकि आपको थोड़ा एक अंदाजा आए. एग्जाम सेमेस्टर 1 की 19 अप्रैल से 24 अप्रैल के बीच में रहेगी यूनिवर्सिटी की एग्जाम, दैट इज सेमेस्टर एंड एग्जाम। और ये जो नया सिलेबस है उसके मुताबिक 2 इंटरनल एग्जाम लेनी है और वो 2 इंटरनल एग्जाम 19 अप्रैल के पहले होगी। तो आपका 1 महीने का स्टडी होने के बाद इमीडिएटली आपकी पहली एग्जाम आएगी और वापस उसके बाद 1 महीने का स्टडी होगा, लेक्चर्स होंगे, उसके बाद वापस दूसरी एग्जाम आएगी और उसके बाद तुरंत यूनिवर्सिटी की एनुअल एग्जाम आएगी, आई मीन सॉरी सेमेस्टर एंड एग्जाम आएगी। सेमेस्टर 2 का अगस्त में होगा, जो आपको अभी डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। एंड सेम इज विद द डायरेक्ट सेकेंड ईयर। सो एंड दिस सेमेस्टर 1 इज फॉर एम फार्म एज वेल एज बी फार्म, दोनों के लिए है। जो डायरेक्ट सेकेंड ईयर के बच्चे हैं वो डायरेक्टली सेमेस्टर 4 में एंटर हुए हैं, वो लोग सेमेस्टर 4 में 24 अप्रैल के बाद दे विल एंटर इनटू मई में, दे विल एंटर इनटू सेमेस्टर 3। वो यूनिवर्सिटी का सेटिंग, यूनिवर्सिटी का गाइडलाइन है। सेमेस्टर 4 खत्म करने के बाद आप सेमेस्टर 3 में आओगे, उसके बाद आप सेमेस्टर 5 में जाओगे। अटेंडेंस मैंने बताया 75 कंपलसरी है, वरना स्टूडेंट एलिजिबल नहीं है एग्जाम में बैठने के लिए। और थियरी और प्रैक्टिकल दोनों इंडिविजुअली सेपरेटली दोनों में 75 से ज्यादा अटेंडेंस जरूरी है। सेमेस्टर 1 का जो सब्जेक्ट्स है, ये क्विकली मैंने सब्जेक्ट यहाँ रखे हैं कि उनके इंटरनल असेसमेंट होंगे और एंड सेमेस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी की एग्जाम होगी। तो 100 मार्क्स में से 25 मार्क्स उनकी इंटरनल असेसमेंट होगी और 75 मार्क्स उनकी सेमेस्टर एंड की पेपर होगा, पेपर द क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा, एग्जाम देनी है। और ये जो 25 मार्क्स इंटरनल असेसमेंट के है, उसमें 15 मार्क की एग्जाम होगी और 10 मार्क्स कंटिन्यूअस मोड के होंगे। ये कंटिन्यूअस मोड में 10 मार्क्स कैसे मैक्सिमम आप ले सकते हो, ये यहाँ पे है। आप देख सकते हो अटेंडेंस के 4 मार्क्स है 10 में से। आपकी रेगुलर एक्टिविटी, क्विज, असाइनमेंट जो भी होगा वो 3 मार्क्स का रहेगा। एंड आप कितना एक्टिवली टीचर्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हो उसका 3 मार्क्स होगा। तो 40% मार्क्स, 10 में से 4 मार्क्स अटेंडेंस के होंगे। और ये 4 मार्क्स किस तरह से अलॉट होंगे ये यहाँ पे है। अगर आपकी अटेंडेंस 100 to 90 है, 90 to 100 है, तो आपको 4 में से 4 मिलेंगे। 95 to 99 है, सॉरी ये लिटिल बिट अपसाइड डाउन है, सो इट्स एक्चुअली 85 to 90 सेकंड वाला। 85 to 90 होगा तो 3 होंगे मार्क्स, 80 to 84 होंगे तो 2 मार्क्स। एंड यू कैन इमेजिन अगर लेस देन 75 मार्क्स होंगे तो आपको 0 मार्क्स मिलेगा। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट आप अलाउ नहीं होंगे एग्जाम में अपीयर होने के लिए। मैंने बताया 2 सेशनल एग्जाम होगी, इंटरनल एग्जाम, और वो दोनों का एवरेज मार्क होगा वो गिना जाएगा। सेशनल मार्क्स 30 मार्क्स का लेके उसमें से 15 मार्क्स में कन्वर्ट किया जाएगा। और स्टूडेंट को अगर 50% मार्क्स मिलते हैं तो ही वो पास डिक्लेयर किया जाएगा। अगर 50% से कम मार्क्स है स्टूडेंट को तो वो फेल कंसीडर होगा, इंटरनल एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल, सेमेस्टर एंड दोनों एग्जाम में, थियोरी और प्रैक्टिकल दोनों में। अगर वो इंटरनल में फेल हुआ, 50% से कम मार्क्स मिला है, तो उसको इंटरनल वापस देनी है। एंड सेमेस्टर में अगर 50 से कम हुआ तो स्टूडेंट को फेल किया जाएगा, वो उसको वापस रीअपीयर होना है। नाउ ये मैंने बुक्स का स्पेशली एक स्लाइड रखा है जो नॉर्मली मैं ओरिएंटेशन में नहीं रखती हूँ, क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक है, स्टूडेंट्स घर पे है, कॉस्ट कुछ बुक्स की बहुत कम है। अगर पेरेंट्स ये बुक खरीद ले तो उनको कॉलेज में आके बुक लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। तो ये जो लिस्ट है मैं क्लास टीचर को बता दूंगी। जैसे ये कॉस्टली है, फिजियोलॉजी, टॉर्टोरा एंड गाइटन, वो खरीदेंगे नहीं तो चलेगा, वो लाइब्रेरी से हम दे देंगे। अगर खरीदे तो बेस्ट है। गाइटन 4 साल तक चलती है, 4 साल में ये गाइटन का बुक काम में आता है। टॉर्टोरा भी 4 साल काम में आता है, इवन एमफार्म वाले बच्चे भी यूज करते हैं टॉर्टोरा का बुक। अदर बुक आप देख सकते हो 100 रुपीज, मैथमेटिक्स का 500 रुपये, कम्युनिकेशन एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का बुक 425 का है। वी हैव वन मोर very important project which we are running, in our college is a distance department of lifelong learning, which is optional. अगर स्टूडेंट को DLLE में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, आपके जो DLLE के इंचार्ज है डॉक्टर प्रवीण, वो आपको बाद में एक सेशन अरेंज करेंगे वंस आपके रेगुलर लेक्चर शुरू हो जाए तब, उसके बाद तो वो रजिस्टर करेंगे। उसका फायदा ये है कि स्टूडेंट्स को यूनिवर्सिटी में 10 एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स मिलते हैं, तो उससे उनका ग्रेड इम्प्रूव हो जाता है। और हमने देयर आर मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट है SVKM BNCP में, हमने जो ऑप्ट किया है वो करियर प्रोजेक्ट है। तो आपको स्कूल में जाके करियर के बारे में बोलना है, फार्मेसी करियर के बारे में बोलना है, मिठीबाई कॉलेज में जाके करना है, ये सब आपके जो कोऑर्डिनेटर है कॉलेज के वो आपको सब बताएंगे। और फिर वो सब एक्टिविटी का रिपोर्ट बना के यूनिवर्सिटी में हम सबमिट करते हैं और उनको 10 एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं। These are the various committees which we have for academic as well as administration purpose. As I said, the regular activities and women grievance redressal, all those activities, anti-ragging, all those activities are there. So with all this in nutshell, what I can put to what BNCP offers you, the uniqueness in terms of preparing for future. Best placement, best research nurturing, wonderful extracurricular and overall grooming sessions, communication skill which is a part of the timetable, counseling, placements, dedicated placement cell, very good latest infrastructure for research, very dedicated, knowledgeable teacher, wonderful library off campus, on campus, Wi-Fi campus, everything which is what we offer as BNCP to you, which is unique in its own terms, which not all colleges are offering. Short-term certificate, none. Communication skill for 6 months, none. Counseling as a full-time counselor, no college. BNCP Scientific, no college. Nurturing of research, no college. Having Daitva cell, that is a social sensitivity cell, no college. These are the uniqueness of BNCP. So our short-term goal is, we are already NBA accredited. We are in the process of submitting NAC for the entire college, that is National Accreditation Council. Permanent affiliation very soon we are going to get. We do have a lot of major research. The recent one we got is a 47 lakh rupees project, 1 crore rupees project. So none of the college has such a wide portfolio of research with a wonderful. And not only that, we have industry funding, huge industry funding we have. We do consultancy. My faculty also do consultancy for industry. Not only that, the college assists in various student related services. So we give students lockers, that is first come first basis. We give them on demand with online email bona fide certificate, transcripts. We also give them letters immediately for their bank loan availing, whatever requirement is there. SVKM and BNCP has a collaboration with ICICI. So those parents who wish to take a loan, education loan, they can actually take a letter from BNCP fee structure and approach ICICI. Just go and tell them that you are coming from SVKM's BNCP. Railway concession we gave to all the students. Scholarships related detailed information we display on notice board, and we try to help each and every student. My office helps each and every student to avail maximum scholarship whatever they can get from state level as well as a national level. For EBC category, reserve category student, they all are eligible for MahaDBT portal, which we would be giving you more details once your admission is confirmed and everything. Once SAP ID and everything comes, and whenever the MahaDBT portal is opening, we would be having rigorous follow-up with students, those who are eligible, make sure that they all get fellowship, they all get scholarship. And this kind of one-on-one personal connect you will not see with any other college. While open category student, they can get a scholarship of Rashri Chhatrapati Shahu, Maharaj scholarship, even Pragati and all other are the scholarship. Even we help them, guide them for Tata scholarship also. Now, communication is very, very important. How to communicate during pandemic? So what I suggest is, this is the QR code for our official WhatsApp group for first year B Farm. I am repeating because in the group I have M Farm students and direct second year student. This QR code is only for FY B Farm student. Right now, the QR code which is on your screen, you can scan this and you can be part of the group, because all the official communication will come on this WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, I am there. Office superintendent I will add. Your scholarship person officer I will add. All your class teachers are there and your subject teachers are there. So please scan this QR code. And I also request Dr. Lokesh, he is going to put link in your chat box right now. So please check your chat box where there is a link. Using that link also you can enter the group. So please, I'm going to keep this screen little longer, and with that actually I will be also able to see how many of them have joined. So I request all of you, because the lectures are starting from tomorrow. Tomorrow 10 o'clock your lectures are starting. Timetable is being placed on your notice board. All students must be part of this group. Please enter into this official group of BNCP, first year student, or you click on that link which Dr. Lokesh has put up right now. And I can see a lot of people have joined using this, which is wonderful. So we say that it's said that I never dreamed about success, I work for it. So you don't only dream, you have to work for it. And with this, I'm also putting here your class teachers detail. So your class teachers for first year is Dr. Radhika Raheja and Dr. Madhvi Apte. Their phone numbers are there. I request you not to directly call them. You can contact them on their official group or on their WhatsApp. These are their WhatsApp numbers and these are their email. Same way for FIM Farm, Dr. Prabha is a class teacher and her phone number is here. Please take a screenshot, and now I'm going to show you is MFarm QR code to join MFarm group. So please join. I'm giving you enough time here. And after the presentation is over, I will also ask Dr. Radhika and Dr. Madhvi to come on the screen and address the first year. This QR code with red is official MFarm group. As I said, all official communications will be via WhatsApp group till we start physical teaching. Till that, everyone must communicate via your WhatsApp group. I see I have, if anyone has not yet joined MFarm, first year B Farm group, please go into chat, and in the chat box, Dr. Lokesh has put up a link. You can click on the link. Dr. Lokesh, may I request you to put MFarm link also. You write MFarm in the link so we don't mix up. Students, when you enter, you see that you have entered the right group. So I have around 98 participants, which is little bit questionable because it looks like parents have also joined. So my sincere request to parents not to join this group, because I will be sharing parents group link. So I have at present third year के parents का group है. अगर फर्स्ट ईयर के पेरेंट्स, और मुझे लगता है 1 साल के लिए मुझे पेरेंट्स का ग्रुप बनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो आपके लिए इजी रहेगा। आपकी कुछ भी कंसर्न है आप मुझे पेरेंट्स के ग्रुप में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो। अगर पेरेंट्स कोई ये ग्रुप में एंटर हुए हैं, क्योंकि 98 मेंबर है, उसका मतलब शायद 2 या 3 पेरेंट्स भी है इसमें। तो अगर पेरेंट्स है तो आप इसमें से निकल जाइए। मैं यही ग्रुप में, आपके बच्चों के ग्रुप में ही मैं पेरेंट का QR कोड एंड लिंक भेजूंगी, जो आपके बच्चे आपको फॉरवर्ड करके आप वो ग्रुप में एंटर हो सकते हैं। और उसमें मैं क्लियरली लिखूंगी कि इट इज FIB फॉर्म BNCP पेरेंट्स ग्रुप। तो वो पेरेंट्स के ग्रुप में प्लीज आप एंटर हो सकते हो। अगर अभी हुए हो तो आप निकल सकते हो। आई सी कपल ऑफ पेरेंट्स coming out of that group. Thank you very much. Today after this meeting only मैं पेरेंट्स ग्रुप क्रिएट कर दूंगी और आपके बच्चों को ये ग्रुप में मैं रख दूंगी। और I will request students to share that parents group का link can I request Lokesh sir to do that for me immediately, so we can actually share that so parents can join also. So with that, thank you very much all of you for your time, and once again I congratulate you for taking the admission at BNCP, SVCAMS BNCP. Your child would be having 360-degree grooming. We have seen students of first year, when they go to final year, they are totally different. I really would love to see all of you personally. I request sincerely to all of you to follow all state government guidelines. Wash your hands frequently, wear mask, maintain social distancing, do not go out if not required, do not go into big gathering. More you do all this, faster we all will be able to meet personally. I am dying to see all my students in campus. I would love to meet all of you once the COVID scare is out, is away. Once we all are safe, we all will meet personally. And I would love to see my students in campus. And I love to see them growing with the institute. The day, every month when I see them more and more confident. By the time they reach final year, I see them very confident, professional, ready to face the world. So let's follow all the guidelines of COVID, and with the prayer that everyone stays safe and healthy and we all meet soon physically. With that, thank you very much, and I really appreciate your time and welcome you to BNCP family. I am open to any question which you may have, but before that, I request Raheja madam and Madhvi madam to put their videos on, and if they wish to say a few words to new batch, please go ahead.
Yes, good evening, everyone. I assure you one thing, that every word that ma'am has said now is absolutely true. There is just no exaggeration. She's not said anything that is beyond what BNCP is actually achieved. So you should really be happy that you've joined a part. You're now a part of this family, and very soon, in 4 years, you shall yourself realize that BNCP will have a major hand in enhancing your professional growth. So please rest assured, we have a dynamic principal, we have dynamic faculty. Many of our faculty members have industry experience, which enriches your learning process. So you're definitely in the right place, and I'm sure at the end of 4 years, you yourself will say it. So over to Madhvi ma'am.
Madhvi, you are muted.
Thank you, Munira ma'am. Thank you, Radhika ma'am. As madam has said correctly, you all have joined a noble profession, and in pandemic, we all of us have realized the role of a pharmacist that has really means role is very very important to the society and also to the development of the science and the technology. So I warmly welcome you all to one of the greatest institute, SVKM BNCP, Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy, and I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you will have 4 years of great learning. So thank you very much, ma'am.
With this, I request Lokesh sir to share his screen. Lokesh सर अगर आप आपका स्क्रीन शेयर करोगे तो वो QR कोड पेरेंट्स का प्लीज शेयर कर लीजिए, तो पेरेंट्स जो भी मीटिंग में हैं वो स्कैन करके, और वो लिंक भी आप चैट बॉक्स में शेयर कीजिए तो पेरेंट्स इमीडिएटली ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. हाँ, अरे वाह, दैट्स गुड, दैट वाज क्विक.